Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can fix Facebook login error, but before that please make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we're simply gonna go ahead and step into our video. For the matter, you're first gonna go ahead access your Facebook, right? So for my case, I'm already logged in with my account, so I'm gonna go ahead log out, and now we have this kind of interface when we're trying to get logged in, right? But so if you tap on this login option but we are not being able to get logged in, first is simply save your login info, so that will be easier for you. Other thing, again, tap on this login to another account and simply enter your account's information, try to log in. If this does not help, then you're gonna go to this option called forgot password and see if your information you have forgotten. Let's say if you have forgotten your password already, and if you're trying to add the previous one that you don't remember, you have changed already, then you're gonna enter your number and see, get yourself a new password and enter it and tap on it. And then otherwise you can simply enter your number as well, tap on find account, and they will let you know if there is something wrong with your account as well. Or you can simply tap on the search by email address, enter your email address, and you can find your account like that as well here in this Facebook. So that would be it. So that is the way you can do it. And if this also doesn't work, and then if this, simply go ahead again, access your Facebook app, tap on it, and long press on it, and simply uninstall it, install it again. That is the solution for you. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.